As I've mentioned in previous lessons, one of the reasons why we have to study the distinctions between real property or immovable property and personal property or movable property is for us to identify the correct contract to use. Two of the most important accessory contracts you will learn when you study obligations and contracts and credit transactions are the contracts of pledge and the contract of mortgage. Article 2085 of the Civil Code provides that the following requisites are essential to the contracts of pledge and mortgage. 1. That they be constituted to secure the fulfillment of a principal obligation. 2. That the pledger or mortgagor be the absolute owner of the thing pledged or mortgaged. 3. That the persons constituting the pledge or mortgage have the free disposal of their property, and in the absence thereof, that they be legally authorized for the purpose. Third persons who are not parties to the principal obligation may secure the latter by pledging or mortgaging their own property.